My name is Mary Dornbos, and my partner is Ella Clausen, and we are here to record our video for our final project in information visualization. So for our project, we did a data set that comes from Spotify. We found our data set on Kaggle, and it's titled Top Hits, Spotify from 2000 to 2019. The data consists of 18 columns and almost 2,000 unique data points that just describe the audio statistics from the most popular hits on Spotify from the years of 2000 to 2019. We have attributes that are in text, numeric, and binary, and then our target feature is the popularity score. So the goal of this project is to analyze Spotify's top hits to identify key audio and contextual attributes that drive the popularity of these songs. And our project aims to uncover patterns in song characteristics, also predict the success of different genres, provide actionable insights into the factors influencing a track's appeal. Our analysis will offer valuable guidance for music creators, producers, and marketers to better align with audience preferences and emerging trends. So moving on to our interactive dashboard. Our story begins with this dashboard that explores the factors contributing to a song's success. Here it highlights insights into the most popular primary genres, danceability, song duration, and explicitness. So this visualization on the top left is the explicit or not explicit. And so this dark green line is false for explicitness, which means that it is the songs that are not explicit are more popular on average. And then here is the true explicit songs line. Onto the top right graph, this is the positive correlation between songs longer in length and their popularity rating. So if a song is longer in length, it tends to be more popular. Now, moving on to the bottom left, we have popularity versus danceability. So songs that are higher in danceability tend to be more popular. And then again, moving to the bottom right, we have the top genres and the year of their popularity. So pop, hip hop, and rock were the main three genres that were most popular in these years of 2000 to 2019. And to demonstrate how this interactivity works, say you wanted to find more insights into the highest popularity scored song in this whole data set, that would be this point way up here. As you can see, it is Sorry. So if you click on that, the rest of the graphs will filter according to that song. So this graph for explicitness, the song was released in 2015, and it is not an explicit song. Here it shows the danceability rating, and then here it also says that the primary genre of the song Sorry was pop. So there is a little bit of a demonstration for how that interactivity works. Next, we're moving on to our second dashboard, and this dashboard is a static one that showcases the most popular artists within each of the top three genres. And so we have Britney Spears is the most popular artist for pop, Coldplay is the most popular artist for rock, and Rihanna most popular for hip hop. So given that explicitness, danceability, and duration all have positive correlation with a song being popular, we hypothesize that Britney Spears, Coldplay, and Rihanna all prioritize these features in their music, given they are the most popular artists of their most popular genres.
Next, we have a scatter plot of energy versus speechiness. We included this visual to demonstrate the positive linear relationship between these two features and how they help make a song more popular. We noticed that since the rise of hip hop, one of the main three popular genres, more songs have become more wordier. And this graph helps to convey that message with the trend line. The marks are each individual song in the dataset. The channels are X position, which encodes energy, and Y position, which encodes speechiness. Again, we chose these channels to help demonstrate the positive linear relationship and kept the green coloring to associate with Spotify. Moving on, we have another scatter plot of tempo versus valence. Tempo, which is how fast or slow a song is, and valence, how positive the music sounds, tend to have a positive linear relationship with one another in accordance to these top songs. Meaning songs with a faster pace and a more positive sound have conveyed a higher chance of becoming a top hit. We included this visual to demonstrate the positive linear relationship between these two features and how they can contribute to a song's popularity. These marks are points, the marks are points of each individual songs in the dataset. The channels are X position, which encodes tempo, and the Y position, which encodes the valence. We chose these channels to help show the positive relationship we found with our audience and kept the green color for consistency. Our final visualization is a forecast for popularity of the top three genres in the next years of the data. We found that pop and hip hop popularity are supposed to stay relatively stagnant, but rock is predicted to decrease in popularity. We believe this is predicted because since the start of 2020, more genres have been rising and may help shrink the gap between the top genres and those that are trailing behind. The marks for this visualization are lines representing the genres. The channels are the X position, which encodes the year, the Y position, which encodes popularity, and color, which encodes the genre, and forecasts associated with each genre. We included these channels in our visualization because it is important to look not only at the data we currently have access to, but also at data that may predict what happens in the future. This will help us prepare for new trends in music and how that they might affect the features that contribute to a song's popularity. In conclusion, not to much of our surprise, we found that the top three genres were pop, hip hop, and rock. These genres, in combination with high duration, danceability, speechiness, energy, balance, and tempo, all help to create a top hit song. Since the start of 2020, more genres have been rising and may help shrink the gap between top genres and those that are trailing behind. Although the data stops at 2019, our forecast indicates that all pop, hip hop, and rock are predicted to have a slight decrease, possibly an effect to these trends. Our analysis has helped us reach a conclusion that for a song to become popular, it needs to be catchy, upbeat, decently long, and pop culturally appropriate.